Hey there, I'm Riley with Vidsembly, and I'm going to show you how our PowerPoint or PDF to video tool works really quickly. When you create an account, this is what the dashboard looks like. There's these two demo projects which you can click through. We've already uploaded, and you can just select a voice and you're on your way, or our other video music score tool. But I'll show you now, once you're ready to create your own project with your own file, just click New Project, select the PowerPoint or PDF to video tool. I'll just say Test for right now, Create. And all you got to do is follow the prompts here in this chat panel. First one is to upload a file. I'll just use our demo PDF. Once it's loaded in, you just have to keep following the prompts. So it asks me if I want a voiceover. I'll say yes. This gives you an understanding, kind of an idea of what the script should look like. I'm just going to copy and paste it in there. This is the format. So this narration is going to be matched to its slides like this. And once this format's in here, you can just hit enter. It'll give you an option of 6 voices. These are the 2 for free account. I'm on a free account right now. Any paid account will give you these higher quality other options right here. You can listen to these 2 if you like, just right there. I'm just going to select Brian for right now. And if I refresh, you'll see it is just rendering the project. It takes about 15 seconds for this demo PDF. It's quite fast with smaller projects, and I'll get back to you when it's ready. So there you go. It's about 10 to 15 seconds. It's switched to this green render ready, as you can see here, and we'll play it.
Welcome to our pitch deck.
So as you can see, slide 1, the narration, just welcome to our pitch deck right here. That matched to the first slide. Nothing was generated. There's no generative AI. It's not going to be anything funky added here. It's just going to read your script and match the script to each slide.
We'll be talking about these 3 things today.
That was slide 2, as you can see here.
Point 1 is really cool because...
And slide 3. And that's the end of our video. Short little video. It's really quick. As you can tell, this has been only about a minute or minute and a half. We can export when we're ready. Just MP4 is the only video type right now. And there you have it. There's an MP4 exported. It's only taken about 2.5 minutes in total to make this. I hope this helped. Just a quick little walkthrough of our PDF and PowerPoint to video tool. So thank you. Hope this helped.